Hi everyone, my name is Wouter. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Lanced, and this video is part of our How to Use Lanced series. Today I'm going to show you how you can apply to work and how you can find work. So basically we're here in the dashboard again, and you go to the side panel and you click opportunities. Now, opportunities will then load, and in the first tab, you'll see all types of opportunities. In recommended, you'll see opportunities that match your portfolio types, and you can also save opportunities and then delete it or not. So let's go to all. Let's try to apply to this Cirque du Soleil show. That's not really up there. You can find all the details in here and also what the requirements are. You can then very easily click apply or save. If you want to save it, you just save it like that. But if you want to apply right now, you just click apply. And then it tells you what types of portfolio do you want to use to apply to this call. And portfolios are basically like your online resumes, right? So if you don't have a portfolio yet, make sure that you check out the video on how to create a portfolio before you continue to actually apply to jobs, because you should have portfolios in place before you start applying. So let's say I want my dancer's portfolio, right? Now, I might not want all my videos and materials to be sent towards this application. So I kind of can pick and choose what videos I would like to send and what I would not like to send. Otherwise, I can also add more info from the actual media center. So this is everything at once. Or I could say, oh, I want to actually upload a new video. So let's say they require you to create a specific improvisation or something, then you can just upload it. And then you can still select and sort other types of things that you want to send as well. So you can just create a little package of what you want to send, and then you just click next. So, and then we get to the motivation part. Now, we've talked to a lot of artistic directors and casting directors, and they don't really buy lengthy motivations. So really, we're asking you to write a motivation in 250 characters. This is really to quickly get to the point, right? Don't go into your whole storytelling, but really tell them why you, what skills do you have, and how do you see yourself fit into this cast, let's say. So I do have to type something, and then I can just click review. Now here in review, I can really easily see, okay, so this is what I've sent. I have some links there. This is my motivation. Here are my videos. I have that video right now. If there's more videos, you'll see more tabs up here. And this is all my experience and my education that was connected to my portfolio, as well as the photos. So this is what a company is going to be seeing. And then I can click submit. And I have been submitted. And then that's it. You have just submitted your job. Thank you for watching. And in the next video, I'll show you how you can track your application and actually also edit it. Thank you for watching. Bye.